What a beautiful Christmas day. Sun is shining. It's practically, well, it's like what, in the 40s at least? What's most amazing is the lack of wind chill. We've been cooking all morning, figured it was time to finally get out and go for a walk. And then come back and just enjoy a nice peaceful Christmas. Hope you are all having a really nice peaceful day. Enjoying spending time with family, friends, or whatever you may be doing. Enjoying some good cruelty-free food. So, Merry Christmas. Draco, time for our Christmas Day walk. Good girl, Crook. Draco.